You can't write a contract to create quality. I've talked a lot about Boeing outsourcing development and manufacturing of key elements of some of their most complex airplane subsystems. These contracts are, in a vacuum, very attractive for Boeing because Boeing can more easily pressure outside suppliers to reduce costs, speed up delivery, and guarantee quality, at least on paper. But by fragmenting the production process and writing contracts with contradictory goals, Boeing is also outsourcing the resolution to those contradictions. In short, what happens on the factory floor stops matching what's in the contracts, and in different ways at every supplier. On top of that, Boeing has little visibility into when and how that happens. A recent article in the Simply Flying blog quotes Boeing's CFO as stating that Boeing has had 50 airplanes under rework for various quality issues, and that the amount of work those planes undergo is greater than the amount when they were first produced. It's hard to imagine Boeing is going to make any margin contribution from planes that need such rework, but the article gives no hint of Boeing reconsidering the structure of how they get components for these airplanes. They might go out and increase the penalties for poor quality in their suppliers' contracts. And the suppliers will probably sign those contracts, and for a time, until pressure to produce more faster becomes the primary motivation, quality might improve. But we won't know it. Boeing won't know it, and they won't know when that quality starts to slip again. You can't write a contract for quality. You have to build that into how you produce a product. And for Boeing, that means reconsidering outsourcing supplier relationships. And that's why quality is a leadership issue. If the leaders are not willing to go beyond process and to reconsider structure and culture, all you will get is the same process with more meetings and stricter contract terms.